So yes, as we discussed, whenever we talk about stock market, okay, we will basically study two major, okay, two big. First is technical analysis, and the second is fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis, right? I guess we have discussed a brief about this, technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Can anyone tell me what we
No,
will
sir,
do?
we didn't study.
No, I give a brief idea about technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Okay, right? I just gave you idea what is technical analysis and what we are going to study in technical analysis. Now, I guess anyone remember? Tell me, anyone? No? Yes? Okay, I guess
For
you forgot.
technical analysis, we have studied about large cap, mid cap, and small
No,
cap.
that is about the company, right? So when we talk about technical analysis, we talk about the price and the volume, and volume of any stock. Yes or no? Right? Price and volume of any stock.
Sir, in fundamental analysis?
Okay, in fundamental analysis, we talk about, tell me, company, financials, and growth plans, right? Which is basically company book. When we talk about company book, it means what? The profit, the revenue, right? Okay. So all those things we study in fundamental analysis, right? Now let us see technical analysis first. So whenever we talk about technical analysis, I said, okay, so technical analysis is about price and volumes. So we will study about lots of charts, right? Lots of tables, So there's a website that I use, right? I will tell you. So I give all of you chart, right?
Sir, no, sir.
Yeah, you can see this chart, right?
Yes, sir, we can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this, I can say we have two information, right? This is again some random company. I'm not worried about that. So in this, I'm having two set of data, right? Hi, Anna. We can see two set of data. Anna, one is this, right? Rectangular blocks, and
Yes,
the second is this mountain-like blocks, right? So this mountain-like blocks, they are called as, this is called as, tell me.
Candles.
Candlesticks.
No, this one, right? I'm talking about this one.
Bars, BR.
Okay, I'm talking about this one, right? This is called your, yes, histogram,
Histogram.
Yes,
histogram.
sir, histogram.
And this is called candle, right? These are called as candle, right? So I can say, okay, sir, candle and histogram, right? These are some data. Now, apart from that, there are lots and lots of other data, right? Lots and lots of other data, lots and lots of other, tell me. Right? Other charts, but mainly we will study about these two for now. Okay. So first of all, let us talk about this. Any company. Okay. I will just give you the practical application. I won't teach you just theory. I will just take an example. Okay. From the existing chart, right? Okay. So just find some. Just find some this. Let me see the Nifty 50 chart, right? Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so Nifty 50 chart, so this is your Nifty 50 chart, right? Okay. Now, what is Nifty 50? Tell me. We have discussed this in last class. What is Nifty 50?
Nifty 50 is a index
A group of 50 companies
50
in India.
Selected 50 companies are there.
Index, right? Index of 50 companies, right? So there's many index, like Sensex is also index, and then we discussed about sectorial
Nifty. Sorry,
right?
NSE, BSE.
So
And
anyway,
also mutual funds.
Nifty is of
right?
NSE.
Yes.
Nifty is of NSE.
Nifty is of NSC, right? Nifty is an index of NSC. And when you talk about Sensex, Sensex is an index of BSC. Now, if you see this, so first thing we should know that, okay, let us take this index, okay, as a, tell me, accumulation of all the stocks, right? It is like a bundle of 50 stocks, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
And the prices will be adjusted according to the price of every stock. Okay,
Yes, sir.
for example,
The ranking.
yes. So let us see, right? Today's chart. Okay, today's chart. Now, if you see this, okay. Right?
Yes, sir.
So I will talk about this in minutes, right? So this is today's chart. So we don't know anything about technical analysis for now, right? Okay, I don't know anything. I'm not teaching you theory first. Let us try to understand what kind of problems we are trying to solve. Okay, now, okay, so I'm a noob. I'm like a person who don't know anything about stock market, and someone tell me, right? Okay, this is a Nifty chart, right? So what can I figure it out? What can I figure out from this chart? Tell me, right?
It has more profit and less
Figure out
loss.
about, sir, we can figure out about the 50 companies.
So this is a candle, right? This is a candle. First of all, this chart is called a candle chart, right? That's the first thing. Okay, right? Okay. Now, second thing that I can say, okay, in this we have how many types of candles? Tell me.
Sir, two
Sir,
types
two
of
types.
candles.
The two candles.
Sir,
We
red
have
and
These are red
told
and
us
green.
this. Green candles are buy, sir,
Right.
and
So
red candles are sell.
in this again, right? If you see, depending on color, there are two types, right? Red and green, right? Depending on color, there is only two types, red and green, which means either it is profit or loss. Now, if you see a candle, I'll just take any one candle, right? Just take this candle. Okay, I will take this candle. Now, if I take this candle, think about it. So let us try to understand what this candle is. So I can say, okay, sir, candle, right? Candle is a structure having points, right? This point,
sir,
okay?
can you repeat?
Yes.
Sir, can you repeat?
Yeah, I'm just saying that when you talk about candle, so candle is a chart, right? Candle is a chart having 4 important points. What are the 4 points? Tell me. What are the 4 points? First is this point, right? Second is this point. Third is this point.
Sir,
Fourth
and the
is this
length
point.
of the candle.
Yes. No, again, right? When you talk about the length and all, right? It is irrelevant. It's fine. Okay. But I can say that these are the 4 points, right? The 4 important points. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? So let us see this. This is first point. Okay, just let me change the. Okay. Now this is this point. What do you think? This is the topmost point, right? Of this candle. Yes or no? Tell me. This is the topmost point of a candle.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
yes. Now, using your common sense, right? What do you think? What could be the meaning of this point? Tell me.
Sir, it shows what the amount it, sir, it shows what amount
The
it
highest amount of the time.
Correct. So in this time interval, right? I'm taking a time interval of 1 minute, right? This time interval, I'm taking it as 1 minute. So in this 1 minute, right? The topmost point represent the highest.
Sir, highest amount of each share.
Yes, highest price of anything, right? If I'm talking about share, highest price of share, Hannah. Now, what about this point? Tell me, what about this one? This is the lowest point.
Yes, sir.
The lowest price.
So this is your lowest price. Lowest price. So I can say, okay, this is H, this is L. Makes sense, right? But again, we have
Yes,
two other
sir.
points. Okay, we have other 2 points. Let us see the other 2 points. What about this point? Tell me, what about this point? What is this point?
Sir,
Think about it. Tell me.
Sir, it
Vihan.
might be the maybe, sir. Maybe it will go down that much.
See again, first of all,
Sir, maybe it was, sir, from that price it has risen.
wait, right? First of all, you have to understand, right? What is a candle? Tell me, what is a candle? Candle hota kya hai? Tell me, what's a candle? Candle is
The
basic.
green candle shows us that how much is profit, and red candle shows us that how much is loss.
First of all, candle is a representation of variation in price. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Candle is the representation of variation in price of any stock or any commodity, any equity that we are trying to study. Hai na? Now, if I'm talking about variation, my next question would be,
sir, can you repeat the definition of candle?
don't worry, I will send you the notes, right? So don't worry about this. Today, since my internet is not working, don't worry, I will repeat these again. Today we will talk about the practical things. Okay, so I will repeat again. What is a candle? Candle is just the representation of variation. Hai na? Representation of variation of any asset, right? Here I'm talking about index. It may be commodity, it may be stock, right? It may be anything. Okay. Now, this second question is, okay, if I'm talking about the study of asset, right? My next question would be, okay, what is the time interval, right? It's not like now that we will be representing the candle, right? For 1 day, 2 days, you have to tell the specific time interval, right? That in which time interval you are observing the price. Agree, right? So if I'm talking about this candle, right, is the observation of price, right? For what time interval? Tell me, everyone.
Sir, for 1 minute.
1 minute, right?
Sir, 1 minute.
Correct. So think about it. When you will talk about 1 minute, so at the start of 1 minute, there must be some price. Think about it. Yes or no? At the start of 1 minute, there must be some price,
Yes, sir.
right? At the end of 1 minute, there must be some price,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
right? At the start of 1 minute,
Sir, after 1 minute it will be different.
yes. At the end of 1 minute, there's a price, right? Agree? So can I say that, okay, sir, wait. Just give me a minute.
Share stopped.
Yeah, screen share got stopped, no issues. Okay, yeah. Right. Okay, yeah. So I can say that, sir, when, right, this 1 minute started, okay, there must be some price of any stock. I'm talking about any stock. And when
Yes, sir.
1 minute is going to end, then also there'll be some price, some fixed
Yes, sir.
amount. Okay. And between that 1 minute, the price is always fluctuating. The price is always fluctuating. Okay, right? So see this. At the start of 1 minute, right? The price, the starting price, it is this one. Okay, right? This one, this price. Okay, this price. This is called as open price. Open price. The price at the start of any time interval that we are observing. Make sense? Tell me, make sense? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
this
sir.
is your highest, this is your high, this is your low. Now, what about this point then? What about this point?
Sir, it
Sir,
is the
close.
closing
Sir,
price.
close.
Yes, sir.
Closing
After
price.
1 minute,
Closing
what
time.
was the price?
Okay, close. Now, there's a catch, right? This is wrong. Okay, this is wrong, right? Why
Yes,
this
sir.
is
In green, from down it is open, up close.
exactly. Now you have to think that which candle it is. Either it is green or Anna. So first of all, it is green. What is the meaning of green? What is the meaning of green? Green
Sir,
means
means profit.
price is moving,
Profit.
again, not profit loss, just price is moving up, right?
Buy.
Price
So
moving
the
up.
price is moving.
So if price is moving up, don't you think if price is moving up, the open should be and close should be this? Yes or no?
Yeah,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Makes sense. I guess this is the first concept that you have to understand, right?
Yes,
When you
sir.
talk in close, you have to see the type of candle first. You cannot say that this is open, this is closed. You have to see what is the type of, what are the type of candle we are talking about. Now, if it is a green candle, which means the price is moving up. Okay, in this, the lower level of this rectangle, which is a candle, right? Okay, is your open and the higher level is closed, right? And this right line is called as wick. It's called as wick. Okay, you have seen now wick,
Sir, the line.
right? If you see the candle, right? For example, if you see a candle, right, there's a wick, so that is your wick. Okay, so this is also called as wick, right? Anyone have any doubt in this?
Sir, I
No,
have
sir,
a
no
doubt.
doubt.
Yes,
No,
tell
sir,
me.
no doubt.
Anyone have any doubt?
Sir, when we look at a particular candle, how do we know what time interval it represents?
Again, it depends on you. For example, here I have already set it as 1 minute. Okay, here I have already set it as 1 minute. Okay, so it depends on you, right? You can set it as 1 minute, you can set it as 5 minutes, right? You can set it as 10 minutes, you can set it as 1 day, you can set it as 1 week, you can set it as 1 week. Week is just this straight line, right? So wick, right? This wick just represents the variation, what is the highest and lowest price in a given time interval. That is represented by wick. Okay, got it? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now,
Yes, sir.
this is a green candle. This is a green candle. So this is called as which type of candle? Bullish or bearish?
Sir, bullish.
Bullish.
Sir, bullish.
Bullish, correct, right?
bullish.
Because price go up, bullish, right? Price go down, bearish. I guess this is clear. Tell me,
Yes,
this
sir.
is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next. So as someone said that what are the time interval that we can see? So if you see a chart, we have different time intervals, right? We have as less as 1
So can
second,
you repeat bullish and what was the other one?
bearish. Okay, bullish and bearish, right? So bullish when the price is going up, right? Green candles. Bearish when the price is going down, right? Again, there's lots and lots of different type of candles, right? See, all the candles, they're not same, right? Some candles are different in shape, some candles are different in shape, right? About each and every
Yes,
type
sir.
of
Why
candle.
is that, sir?
Yes, because it represents different things. We will have two classes on candle only, but again, today we are just talking about some technical terms, right? And now,
Okay, sir.
Karthikeya, we have seen, but we will see. Don't worry, right? Not tomorrow, next week, I will have some live sessions. Don't worry about that. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir. You told that you will show us live share market.
yes. Okay. So see, when you talk about this time interval, okay, the time interval here, right, ranges from, tell me, right, few seconds, minutes, hours. Okay.
Sir,
So
few second minutes are many.
yes. So for now,
Days, week.
Sir, even 1 second, sir.
yes. Let us talk about this, right?
Does
Let
it
us talk about
price
this chart.
vary so much?
Okay, wait. In this, what is the time interval? Tell me. In this, what is the time interval?
Sir,
Sir,
it is
five-
5
10
minutes.
minutes.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Sir, 10 minutes.
5 minutes.
Sir, 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes is the time interval, hai na? 5 minutes is the time interval. Make sense? Right? So if you see the 5 minute time interval as 5 minutes, right? Time interval as 5 minutes, hai na? So what can I say? Okay. So in this, what can I say? Tell me. I can
Sir,
say that.
Sir, the
Sir,
stock change.
the candle will change after 5 minutes.
Yes.
Yes, sir, candle will change.
Right? Each and every candle will form with an interval of 5 minutes. The price variation that we are going to study, we are going to observe, right, is of 5 minutes, right? Okay. So this is today's chart, right? So we are starting with yes.
So here 5 minute means like for one particular candlestick it is 5 minutes, or for the whole whatever is visible.
One candle. Whenever we talk about 5, it is a one candle. है ना? See the timestamp here, right? I guess you can see the timestamp over here. Can you see the
Yes,
timestamp?
sir. We can.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let us observe this candle, right? This red one, the
Sir,
big red.
where is the sir? Where is the time?
So if you see this big red one, right? Let us see the big red one. So what can we deduce from this
Sir,
big?
where is the timestamp?
This is the timestamp, right? This 210, 220, 230, 240.
Yes, sir. Got it.
230, right? है ना? Right? Got it? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
sir. Got it.
if you see this, what is the open price? Tell me, what is the open price? This
Sir, it is
A or B? A or B?
A.
A.
Sir, A.
sir, A. Sir, A.
A.
Sir,
B.
because
Sir,
it's
B.
the red candle.
Sir, B
It
is
is
the
red,
open
so it
price.
will be A.
B.
Sir,
Sir,
B.
B is the open price.
No.
A is the
A is
open.
Sir,
open.
A is the open price because it's
No,
red.
B is open price. B is open price.
Sir,
Wait. First of all, which kind of candle it is? Red or green?
Red. Sir, red.
Red.
What is the meaning of red candle? What is the meaning of red candle? Tell me.
Sir,
Price is going low,
Sir,
sir.
bearish.
The price is going low.
Bearish.
Bearish, right?
Sir,
Price
it's
going
going low.
What
Price
is
going down. Sir, price is coming down.
price is going down? So if price is going down, right? Common sense. If price is going down, then it started at, okay, again, it's
Sir, so A is the open point and B is the closing point.
yes, exactly, right? Then A will be open point and B will be closing point, right? Yes or no? Makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is clear now. So this A is open and this is closed,
Okay, sir.
right? But high and low will be same. High and low, we don't have to worry about. High is this only, low and right? So the position of open and close will change depending on type of candle.
Yes,
Clear?
sir.
This is clear,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
right?
sir. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Every
Yes, sir.
concept of OHCL, right?
Sir,
What is
then, sir,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
I'm
wait? What is O? Open, right? What is H? High.
Sir, high.
Sir,
Sir,
high.
high.
You see,
Sir, C means close.
Close.
Sir,
what is
L
L?
means low.
L means low.
Loss.
Right?
sir. Doubt.
Yeah. So this is clear, right? Anyone have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No.
High only, low will be low, because obviously high and low, right, are the maximum and minimum price of any stock or any commodity or any, tell me, asset that we are studying. है ना? Clear है ये चीज? So all of you understood concept of OHCL?
Sir, got it.
Okay.
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. Now think about it, right? There are different type of candles over here. Okay. So we don't know the different kind of candles, but let us try to observe. Okay. Let us try to deduce something from these candles, right? So, okay. Let us see the first candle. Everyone?
Excuse me, sir. I have a doubt in candles.
Yes.
Sir, what are the thick parts, sir, where we get to know the colors, sir? So that thick part.
You can get to know only after the candle is formed. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes,
Makes
sir.
sense? Right?
Yes.
Because until the candle is formed, you cannot say, right, that what is the price. Because see, if though how many people attended this live session, right? Tell me. I have done this live session also, no, last
Sir,
week,
I
right?
attended.
Sir, ma'am.
Yes. So
Yes,
in
sir.
that, we have seen how the candle was forming, right, in the real time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. I also saw, sir.
Yes, so we cannot say that if it is from green candle or red candle until and unless candle is formed. Yes or no?
Yes,
Right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can see the candle is formed only after the time interval is passed. Example, right? So here, suppose it started from this point. Okay, everyone just think. Suppose I will just make one more candle, right? I will just rub this and I will make one hypothetical candle for now. Okay.
There are doubts, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
wait. Let me.
Sir,
the candle
there is
and-
also a difference between the wick also, sir. Why is that, sir?
Wait, there is no difference between. Wait, I'll tell you what are everything.
Sir,
Candles. Let me complete first. Suppose we start from this point, right? Suppose we start from this point. Okay, right? Think about it. This is the start of time interval, start of 5 minutes, right? Guys, please, after asking your question, please be moved. Okay, so now suppose at some time the price is going down, right? For 1 minute, the price is going down. Okay, right? So tell me, if the price is going down, right? If you see 1 minute candle, it will be red or green?
Red.
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 After, so this is for first minute. For second minute, the price is going up. For
Sir,
second minute,
green.
it's going up.
Green.
Tell me.
Green.
Third minute also going up. Third minute also going up.
Sir, green.
Green.
Then
Green.
now fourth minute, it fell down, right?
Sir, red.
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 Okay. Now
Sir, red.
in fifth minute, right? It fell further down.
Sir,
Red.
red.
Red candle.
Red. Let's say that, okay, so in this 5 minute candle, if I break it down into 5 different candles, I can get some red candles, some green candles. But if you talk about the nature of this overall candle, tell me, this candle will be red or green?
Sir, red.
Sir, red.
Red, got it. Very good. Anyone have any doubt in this? I guess this is very
No,
clear.
sir.
No, sir, no
No,
doubt.
sir. No, sir. No doubt.
Tell me, what is this price? What will be this price? Highest, right? This price is the highest point, yes or no? Correct? Everyone?
Sir, can you repeat?
Yes, sir. Sir, repeat.
So all of you understood what is? Tell me. Candle now. What is this
Yes,
called?
sir.
Understand me.
We have
The
discussed this. Tell me. Anyone? This is called as? Anyone
Line.
remember this?
Line graph.
So line graph.
Okay, line graph. No, in stock market it is called as? Anyone remember something called trend?
Sir, yes, sir. Trend.
Yes,
Yes.
Sir, trend.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hannah. So this is called as,
is high. Up.
Hannah, this is called as trend, right? Trend chart, Hannah. So tell me, what is the trend here? Tell me, what is the trend here?
Sir,
Tell me.
bull.
Sir,
Bullish,
bull. Sir, bullish.
bullish,
Bullish,
right?
sir.
Yeah. If the price is constantly moving up, right, within some time interval, then it is your bullish. Yes or no? It is your
Sir, it
bullish.
is a. Sir,
Okay.
once it start to fall, it will be bear.
Yes, right. Now again, it depends on time interval also. For example, if you just see this time interval, right? Okay, so instead of having one, let us take for 1 month, right? So I'm
Yes,
just
sir.
taking 1 month. Now, tell me, in this 1 month, can you say what is the trend? Can I say what is the trend?
Bullish.
Sir, it is bear.
It is
bear.
neither bullish.
Sir, it's
It is,
bearish.
Yes, it's almost equal.
Sir,
right?
this was my question, sir.
Yeah,
So
it
in
is.
this, the ending is
Yeah, it is called as
bearish.
sideways. It is called as sideways trend. Okay, right? Because in this, it is
What
neither.
is sideways trends?
What?
Sir, what is sideways trends?
That is what I'm saying now, right? If the trend, right, if the price dilution does not give me exact identification of bearish or bullish signal. For example, here the price is not moving up or moving down. It is like moving up, down, move up, down, right? So this is called. I cannot actually identify that the momentum is bullish or bearish. है ना? Sometimes price is going up,
Sir, it
sometimes
is only fluctuating.
yes, it is fluctuating a lot, right? है ना? So let us see. So this is the thing. Now let us see the candles in that, right?
Sir, your voice is echoing.
My voice, I guess my voice is fine now.
Sir, means that fluctuating
Yes,
trend is
sir.
called, sir, the fluctuating trend is called as sideways trend.
Yes, yes. So we have bullish trend, bearish trend, and sideways trend. Okay, right? And everything depends on what? Tell me, everything depends on time interval. Yes or no? Like
Yes, sir.
because any trend can be bearish, can be bullish, depending on which time interval I'm talking about. So we were seeing this 3-month chart now, or 1-month chart, 1 month,
Yes, sir.
right? So see,
Sir, 1 month.
if we see the 1-month candles, है ना, 1-month candles, and what is the duration of candle, guys? Can you see the duration of candle? Tell me.
Sir, 30 minutes.
Sir, 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
So let us make as daily one, right? Daily. Day one.
Sir, it is again echoing.
Right? Let us make it as 1 day.
Sir, it
wala.
is echoing.
है ना?
Yes,
Now if
it
you
is
see, now if you see 1 day wala, right? Think about it. है ना? 1 day.
It is
And-
going up only. Up trend.
Okay. 30 minutes only, right? If I change this, it will change, I guess.
trend.
Okay, yeah. I can make it as hours. Just let us make it as hours.
So what is the last value, sir?
Sir, now also going up. Sir,
Yeah.
up trend only.
So
Okay,
what
and
is the last value?
last value. Last value, you mean today's one? I'll just expand. Okay. Right? So see this, if you see charts, right? So see between two intervals, right? Between these two time intervals, this time interval or this time interval.
Sir, it is again echoing.
Sir,
It
your
is
voice
not
It is echoing.
Sir,
My
somebody
voice-
had admitted, sir.
Sir, it is not audible also.
No,
Sir,
I'm
I
audible.
think it is
Right?
Aditya, sir. In
Yes, sir,
coding class
Aditya, sir,
also that
admitted.
only happens.
Sir, echoing and cracking.
Audible, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, I'm audible, right? I'm audible. So yeah, so I'm saying that if you see this chart, right? Now, if you see this, okay, so I can say that in this, the price is varying a lot. It is going up, it is going down. More or less, it is neither permanently going up nor permanently going down. In this time interval, yes or no? So this is called a sideways trend. I cannot say that market is bullish or bearish. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
if you see this time interval,
There
it
is
is
another word for the middle one.
sideways.
Sideways.
Yeah. Now, if you see this, right? Tell me in this from here to here, what is the trend?
Sir, bullish.
Bullish.
Bullish, sir.
From what is the trend?
Sir, bearish.
Bearish.
Then bullish. Then bearish.
Bearish.
Go to here.
Bullish.
Then
My voice is echoing.
Yes.
yes.
No, sir, no.
Okay, guys, please mute yourself after you speak. Okay. So I can say that whenever we talk about bullish, it totally depends on time interval. Ayana. Right? Okay. So we understood what is candle, we understood what is trend. Anyone have a doubt in trend?
No, sir.
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir.
I guess this is clear. Anna? Okay. Right. So let me ask you something. Okay. Let us observe this trend. Let us try to observe this trend. So you can see the timestamp, right? This is March. This is what? February. Anna?
Sir, 13 Feb.
Right? February.
The monthly time strand.
Yeah. I'm not talking about monthly or weekly. I'm just talking about this. Right. See this. Okay. So I want to see the chart. January. Suppose I want to see the chart of January 2020. Okay.
So it is
January,
so thin.
right?
Sir, what are the ranges?
What?
Sir, when you select the time duration, no sir, there was one option ranges, sir. One range.
Your voice is not audible, Aditya.
Yeah, you're not audible.
There's
Aditya.
some kind of disturbances.
Yeah, some kind of disturbance is there.
Excuse me, sir.
Right. Yes.
Sir, in that when we were choosing the time interval, sir, there was an option ranges, sir. What was that?
Same, right? Ranges means what? See here, right? Ranges means what? When you talk about data, depends on, right? What are the when you talk about this ranges, okay. So if you see this x-axis, y-axis, right? We decide, okay, we decide that what are the intervals that we want to take, right? Forget about ranges for now. Okay. Now see this. If someone would have studied this chart right here, suppose that you want to observe the chart here, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, stockbroker is like a shopkeeper. Okay, stockbroker is
It
like a
is.
shopkeeper, and stock exchange is like a mall. Got it, right?
Yes, sir.
So stock exchange facilitate all the transactions, whereas stockbroker, okay, is like a shopkeeper with, right? He facilitate the buying and selling. Okay, because you cannot directly buy and sell at stock exchange. Okay, got it, Gia?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I don't know why it is not zooming. Just let me zoom it.
Yes, sir. ठीक है मैम, ठीक है.
Guys, please mute yourself. Okay. Wait, I'll just use this. Just give me a minute. I'll use the candle of Drew. Just give me a minute.
Sir, please zoom out your screen, sir.
Yes, Shravya, right? In Nifty 50, when I talk about the price variation, the price variation, whenever we talk about Nifty 50, the price variation will be of average of 50 stocks. Okay. Now, how do you take the average, right? So when you talk about the prices, think about it. Think about it. Suppose you go and buy something, right? Suppose you go and buy some clothes or some shoes, right? Now think about it. Do you really think that all the commodity that you're buying will have same price? Tell me.
So
Right?
can
Or
you repeat?
will you buy same quantity?
No, sir.
No, right? No.
No,
So
sir.
there's a term called weightage. You give some weightage to something, some to something,
Yes,
right?
sir. Like in goods.
Okay, just give me a minute.
Sir, voice not.
Yes, sir. Voice is not again audible.
Okay, it is audible now, right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Going.
We were talking about this Nifty, है ना? We were talking about Nifty for now. Okay. Right. ठीक है? So we're talking about this charts. It is much clearer, much better. ठीक है? Right. So this is 1 day chart, है ना? Today's chart. So we will just analyze today's chart.
voice is cracking.
My voice is cracking, guys. Is my
No,
voice?
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Sir.
No, it is not cracking. Okay.
Sir,
you're
you
not
are
audible.
not audible.
Yeah, sir.
Not audible, sir.
You hear me?
Yes, sir.
So now you're audible.
cracking, sir.
You can hear me, right? Okay.
Yes,
है ना? So
Yes, sir.
let me ask you this. Let me ask you this. What happened today? Tell me what happened today. When market opened, right? है ना? When market opened, what happened today?
Sir, loss.
Sir, it,
Went down.
sir, it
a
went
fall.
down and
A
then up.
very big fall, sir.
Yes, a very big fall, right? Not very big fall, depending on candle, right? Comparatively, it is a big fall. So this is called as gap down opening. Gap down. है ना? Gap down means, what is the meaning of gap down?
Sir, going down. Sir,
Going down, sir.
Again, whenever we talk about down, right? It always respect to what?
The your voice is echoing.
Down or up is relative term. Yes or no?
Sir,
Right?
can you repeat again?
Price is going down with respect to which price? Tell me. If I'm saying
Sir,
gap,
What, sir?
if I'm saying the price is going down, right? So, right, respect to which price? Yesterday's price, na? Hai na?
sir, today's
Yes, sir.
So today's open price, if today's open price, this open price, right, है ना? Okay, is less than yesterday's close price. ठीक है? Logically, है कि नहीं? सोचो, अगर आज मान लो कि 100 रुपए में स्टार्ट हुआ, think about it, और कल वो क्लोज हुआ था 102 rupees, right?
yes.
Right. So today, when if it's starting at 100 rupees, so it is called as gap down opening. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Clear है what is meaning of gap down opening?
Sir, please explain
Yes,
it
sir.
again, no, sir.
Okay, समझ में आ गया? Right?
Sir,
Okay.
please explain it again.
I just said, right, that if today's open price, right, this open price, today's open price is less than yesterday's close price, है ना? Then it is called as gap down. Gap down. समझ में आया सबको?
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? Okay. Now tell me. So when it started, it opened at some price, है ना? It closed
Sir,
at some price.
15,674 rupees.
Yes, open was 15,674 rupees. Now this is right. Show this. Okay. So see, you can see this, right? This is a price at 9 a.m. है ना? Right? Because when you talk about the candle, what is the price? This is a candle. I'm talking about the candle. For this candle, what is the open price? Tell me. For this candle, what is the open price? Guys, everyone?
Sir, it is 5. Sir, 1,500. No, sir, 15,800.
812.
Correct. So the open price was 15,812. Yes or no? Right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Price was 15,812. What is the highest price?
Sir, 15,812 only, sir. Same.
Okay. Now, this is the last candle. This is the last candle of today's, right? So what is the lowest price of today's candle?
15,689.
Sir, and the highest price is also the same.
I guess in this high, low, everything is very limited. Yes, on the price variation is very limited. There's no highest high, there's no lowest low, right? There's no wick in these two candles. Yes or no? There's no wick.
Yes, sir.
Makes sense,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
I can say, okay, sir, if the highest is same as open, right? Yeah, same as, tell me close, right? Then they, or if the lowest is same as, tell me open, or lowest is same as close, then there is no weak formation, then there is no weak formation. Clear here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you see this, what is the trend of, what is the market trend, right, of today? Tell me, what do you think?
Sir, side trend.
Sideways.
Yes.
Side trend, sir.
Makes
The
sense.
sideways trend.
Trend.
But it was not, market was
Sideways.
not up or
Sir,
down.
sideways trend.
Now, if I talk about this, if I talk about this candle, then
Sir,
Their
according
voice is
to
echoing.
Sir, bearish.
it is bullish.
Bearish.
Sir,
Yes,
bullish.
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 the
What
bullish.
about,
bullish.
what about this time
Sir,
interval?
bearish.
Bearish.
Bearish. Bearish.
Okay.
Bearish.
So I guess everyone got this. सबको समझ में आ
Yes,
गया ये?
sir.
Okay. So let us see the market of 1 week. अब एक चीज बताओ, अगर मैं एक वीक का देखता हूँ, right? This is 1 week. Okay. What do you think? Market is consolidating, going up, going down?
Sir, it is sideways
Sir,
only.
still sideways.
Still
Sir,
sideways. No.
Sideways. Sideways.
Very good. 1 month.
Sir, we could see so big jumps.
Sideways.
Yes, correct.
Sideways.
Right?
Yes.
1 year.
Sir, bullish.
Uptrend, sir.
Sir, bullish.
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 Correct?
Bullish, sir.
Right? So I guess all of you understood how
Bullish.
to, yes, how to observe,
Yes, sir.
yes or no?
Yes,
Right?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Chart. 3-year. Now, if you see the 3-year chart, what do you think? The market is
Sir,
going.
it is first. It is.
Sir, it is
Then
sideways.
it is bullish.
Again, the time interval is huge, right? Remember, time interval is huge. So you cannot say that sideways. Okay? Time interval is huge, na? है कि नहीं?
Sir,
Right?
after a big loss, it is bullish.
Yes. So if you see from here to
sir.
here, it is going up only, right? But from here to here,
Because
it is
time
going down.
interval is long, sir.
Sir, bullish, then bearish, then again bullish.
Bullish, right? Still, it is bullish only. It is not bearish. It is still bullish. It is
At
concentrating.
the end, it is bullish only, sir.
Yes, correct. Now,
Yes, sir.
if you see this, what is the technical analysis? What we are going to learn in technical analysis? Now, suppose obviously we cannot actually predict that what side market will behave, right? It will be bearish or bullish,
Yes,
but
sir.
we can get the idea, we can get the hint. Okay, how we can get the hint? Tell me.
Sir, if it is going so much down, then it will go up, sir, after some time.
Candle is formed after it is over, right? हाँ है ना? Right? Candle
Yes, sir.
बाद में बनता है कि नहीं? जब वो हो चुका होता है, right? है कि नहीं? Yes or no? Right? I
We
can
can get a hint by the number of stocks gained. I mean, brought and sold.
very less, Aditya. Your voice is very, very low. Okay.
Aditya.
Sir, we can get the idea or the hint by the stocks of buying stocks and selling stocks.
No, right? Obviously not, right? Okay, think about it. So, first of all, right, we can see the idea. There is something called prediction, okay, right? Or obviously, prediction is not 100% sure. Yes or no, right?
Yes, sir.
By seeing the previous candles, I can predict how the future candle can be, right? That's a prediction that we are going to study, right? Not 100%, but we might predict, okay? Because there are different kind of candles, okay? Clear, right? Now, if you see this candle, right? This bearish candle,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
right? Then this is what?
Sir, bullish.
Sir, bullish.
to this, with respect to this candle, right? Will this candle hold any meaning?
No, sir. No.
No, sir. No meaning.
No, sir.
No, right? So see, next candle is what? Next candle is again
Bullish.
Sir, maybe
Sir,
right, and then
Bearish,
next
sir.
candle is again
it is bearish, bearish, then bullish, then bearish, bullish, bullish, bearish.
Bullish,
but
bullish, bullish.
yes, best. But when you see the time, this candle, right? The shape of candle is changing. Ayana, the shape of candle is changing.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Everyone is getting this, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? Everyone? The
Sir,
hand?
this must be called as sideways candle.
No, right? There are different type of candle. The name of candle is different. We will see, right? We will see each and every type of candle, right? There's something called Marabozua, right? There's something called a shooting star, right? These are the name of candles. Okay, right?
Sir, doji.
Right?
Sir, can you show shooting star?
There's a name called hammer. Okay, right?
Very funny candles.
Yeah, there's the Japanese candlestick, right? So we will study it, no issues. Not today. Today we are just studying about, right?
Sir,
The
some
terminologies.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so candle we are done with. I hope all of us understand candle. I hope all of
Yes,
us.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is echoing.
Yeah, sir, echoing.
Sir, echoing, sir.
Now also.
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
not.
now.
No, sir.
Okay. Let me show you this. Just give me a minute. I will
Yeah.
show you. So the next is something called volume chart. Okay, right? Just let me open another.
Sir,
Okay.
zoom it, sir.
Just please mute after this.
Sir,
Sir,
your
your
voice is
voice
echoing.
very low, very low. Voice is very low.
Yes, sir. Very, very, very low, sir.
My voice is very low. Is it
Sir,
fine?
No,
now
sir.
it's loud.
Now it's okay.
Okay. Just let me open my. I'm just opening my DMAT account, right, to show you guys. Okay.
So isn't
Right.
Sir, I want to ask a question.
Yes.
Sir, which is the best way to earn money, sir, by investing or by working?
See, there's nothing like best or worst, right? Depends on what you're good at. Okay. Right.
experience?
Investing is a way of saving money, growing money, right? Okay.
Sir, but we don't get loss at work, sir. We get loss at investment.
No, again, right? I'm talking about investing. I'm not talking about trading. Right? I'm talking about investing. Okay, just give me a minute. I will just show you a chart of one company. Right. So today, one company gave good profit. Which is that company? I'll just show you.
Sir, the screen is stuck, sir.
Which is now has the biggest rate of profit, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So there's a company, right, which gave 7%. Guys, please mute yourself. My voice is echoing. Okay, right. The company name is IRB. I'm going to mute permanently. Okay, right. You guys just message. Okay, right. Okay. Now, YTD is year till date, Kartikeya. YTD, the full form of YTD is year till date. Okay. So if you see this, right, IRB, So IRB is a company, right? IRB is a company name, right? So see, this is again, right? This is how the portfolio will look like. Okay, right? So see, this is the day change. In one day, it is changed how much? Tell me. In one day, it is changed how much? Right? 7. Okay. Now, I want to see how, right, the price fluctuated today. How the price fluctuated today. Okay. And you will tell me, right, what is the trend? Okay, right? It is visible, guys. No, it is not circle, right? Okay. I guess it is visible now. Everyone, it is visible. Okay. Now, obviously, I have lots of charts, right? Okay, you don't have to worry about all these charts. You just worry about this first chart and this second one. Okay, right? You have to know this, because this one and this one, right? Okay, you don't have to worry about these charts, right? We will discuss about these are the advanced one. Okay, so when we complete the beginner level, right, then we will study about these charts. Okay, I guess this is clear now, right? Okay, so I will just make it a 1 minute one. Okay, now tell me, if you see this, so this is a candlestick, right? This is a candlestick. I guess all of you are quite acquainted with candlestick. You know what is candlestick, what candlestick like give us information about. Now, when you see this histogram, right, this represents what? This represents volume. This represents volume. Now, which volume? Tell me, what is the meaning of volume over here? Everyone tell me, what is the meaning of volume over here? Tell me. It is basically number of shares. Number of shares. Correct, Ragini. Very good, Ragini. Number of shares bought and sold. So if it is a green histogram, right? Right? Tell me. So green means more number of shares is bought, and red means more number of shares sold. Clear hai? Very good, Shravya. This is clear. Tell me, this is clear. So how can I relate these two? How can I relate this with this? Can I relate these two? Tell me. Can I relate these two? Yes or no? Right? Yes, we have studied first one and this one, right? Not this and this. This is your RSI. I will not tell you what is this, by the way, right? And this is your MACD, right? So this is something that we will study in advanced one, and I don't think that we will study advanced one this year. Okay, we will take it slow. You have lots of time, right? Okay, so now see this thing here. What do you think? Lots and lots of shares bought, right? Okay, so what will happen to price? Tell me, what do you think? You don't see this, just observe this. Here lots and lots of shares are bought. Yes, bought by the people, right? What will happen to the price of share? Tell me. If yes, it will go up. And see what happened actually. What happened actually? Harshad Agrawal nahi, Harshad Mehta, but no, you cannot, right? There are lots of things. Okay, even I'm learning, right? Price will increase now, because agar देखो demand ज़्यादा है, people want to buy more, means demand is more. If demand is more, the price will goes up. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no? Clear, everyone? Everyone is clear. Now, if you see this from this point to this point, there's very less volume, right? Very low volume. हाँ है ना, बहुत कम volume है. Right? Exactly, right? Because everything depends on demand and supply. First day हमने क्या सीखा था? Demand and supply, right? Demand and supply drives everything, है ना? ठीक है? So in this time interval, right? I can say, sir, in this time interval, the volume which is traded is very less. है ना? What will happen to the prices? Tell me. what will happen to the prices? It will change a lot. It will be consolidating around some level. See, if not many shares are traded, right? If no one is buying a lot, if no one is buying or selling lots of shares, the prices will almost be same. Now, tell me, the prices will almost be same, yes or no? Right? The prices will almost be same, yes or no? See, from here to here, no change, no change. Then someone sold, price went down, enough. Then someone bought, price went up. Then here to here, no change, no change. Right? Yes or no? Right? Then here again, lots and lots of volume is being traded, buying, selling both. Then it again went up, right? Clear here. So I guess I'm not saying that we can actually see, but we can get the basic idea, right? Obviously, there are other things also. There are lots of other things, but I can get the basic idea. Yes, volume and price are interconnected. Okay? That is why when you talk about technical analysis, every study is of price and volume. Price and volume. है ना? Demand and supply, demand and supply. ठीक है? Right? Today no Kahoot because we haven't studied anything. ठीक है? Right? अभी हमने start ही किया है. Okay? Anyone have any doubt in this? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt in this? Clear है? So if someone asks you what we actually want to understand, right? Tell me, in technical analysis, tell me. What do you really want to understand? Tell me. I want to understand how the price and the volume is varying, right? And how we can see, right, what the tools that we can use. We can use candlesticks, right? We can use volume charts. We can see the trend, okay? Right? Okay. Now, okay. So this technical analysis is very, very important for a trader, but obviously none of you should be a trader for now. Again, whatever I'm talking about, it is from investment point of view, not trading point of view. Okay. Yes, Shravya, trend chart is candle chart in form of line. Okay, that's it. Okay, right? Now, let me give you exercise. Okay. Yes, Niketan, only 18 plus. That's why not till you guys will become 18 plus, you will have knowledge. Yes or no? Right? Think about it. You can mock trade, right? You can mock trade, you can mock invest, right? Without having any money. Okay. Don't worry about this. So let me show you some of this. Suppose I bought this share today. Okay, let me ask you something. I bought this share today, right? Okay, now let me show you this chart. I bought it at 526 rupees. Now tell me, is this price a good price or bad price or just random price? My question is that if I bought this share as 526, right? I will just wait for the chart. Wait for the chart now, wait for the chart, right? So let me show you this. Okay, right. Okay, so this chart, 1 hour chart. Now tell me, is this price a good price, bad price? Think about it. How bad? How? This is 526 Ragni, right? Right? Just see the candlestick and volume. Candlestick and volume, candlestick and volume, right? First of all, it is 1 hour chart. This is not for one day. First of all, this is not for one day, right? सबसे पहली बात कि एक दिन का नहीं है ना, Yes or no? See the date stamp, right? See the date stamp. It is 18/6, 22/6, 24/6, right? 12/7, right? So this is almost around 1 month. And it is almost around 1 month. Okay, right? Obviously, in 1 month, what is the highest? What is the highest? Tell me. In this 1 month, what is the highest? I can say this. This is the highest one. Yes or no? Average, not exactly. 5, right? 560, I guess. This is 560. 560. 560. Hai 560. Okay. Yes. That after this, there's huge selling. Huge selling. See? Yes or no? See this volume chart. Forget about candlestick chart, right? I want you to see huge selling, right? Okay, because see, if there's only 1 day selling but rest buying, then it will go down once, but it will go up. It will go up, right? Yes or no? But here it is sold day after day, day after day. It is sold consecutively. Yes or no? Right? That's why it fell down. And from this to this time interval, right? Equal buying and selling. Equal buying and selling. This to this, equal buying and selling. So almost consolidation, right? Then again, 1 day, see 1 day, if we have 1 day selling or 1 day buying, right? The price will not change that much. समझ में आ रहा है ना? देखो यहाँ पे 1 day selling, it went down, but again it started same only. It's fine, right? But here, see this. What happened here? Tell me. What happened here? Everyone, tell me what happened over here. Think about it. The price is falling down. The price is falling down since how many days? Right? Couple of days, right? 2-3 days it is falling down. Falling down. Hana? Okay, let me show you one more. Then what happened here? Tell me what happened here. Is this what? Is this is what? No, forget about this last one. Nah, I'm just saying whole candle. This is what? Consolidation. No, Shravya, it depends on how many people are buying and selling, right? Demand and supply, Shravya. Right? Demand and supply. Right? Something happens, some news, right? Okay. Kuch news aa gaya, kuch ho gaya, expectation se kharab ho gaya, then it will change. Right? Okay. Now let me ask you this. Right? Obviously, I'm not buying and selling anything randomly. If you observe this, yahan se yahan tak, what's the price? What's the price? Tell me. $525. The price, Rajat, price kya hai? Okay, the normal price. Okay, let me show you 10 minutes candle. Okay, and let me show you couple of days, right? Okay, couple of days. So see this. First is this line, right? First is this line. Second is this line. Can you see these two lines? Can you see these two lines? Yes or no? Aditya, what are you doing? Tell me. Right? What is this? What is this line? What is this line? This is 529. And what is this line? 525. Hayana, tell me. This is again, this is today's, this is right again. 10 minutes candle chart. This is 10-minute candle chart. No, Shravya, this is 10-minute candle chart, right? Adarsh, what you're doing? What you guys are doing, Adarsh and Aditya? Okay, this is 10-minute candle chart now, right? So for whole day, right? I'll just show you for 1 day. Okay, let us see for just today. The time stamp, right? Okay, time stamp, today's 9/7 है ना, 9/7 यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, okay, right? यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक. It started at, tell me, right? It started almost around 527, right? It went up till 529, then fell down at some 521, 522, right? But it concentrated at which price? Tell me. It concentrated at which price? Think about it. 525. And from 525, it went up. Yes or no? High up, right? So why I chose 525? Tell me why I chose 525. Because that is the price where the stock is consolidating. Yes or no? This is called as support. हाँ है ना? Support. समझ में आया ये सबको? बताओ. So 525 was not a random number. Yes or no? I did not buy this randomly at 525. I observed, okay, the price is almost fixed at 525, है ना? Right? Then let us buy at 525. ठीक है? सबको समझ में आ रहा है? Everyone got this? Yes or no? Everyone got this? Anyone have any doubt? Yes, right? Because it is a support, right? It is a support. But suppose if this support is broken, right? If this support is broken, then obviously it will fall down, right? Okay, then I have to look for another support. Yes or no? Usually, this is one more concept. For example, I will just show you one more example. Okay, see this. If you see here, right? See this line. Right? Rajat, see this line. Can I say that, okay, this line, 530 something, 535, 530, right? 535, 530 or 535 for this duration. For this duration, right? Around 535 was support. Hi, Anna. 535 was support. Right? Almost. Yes or no? Right? Moving around 535. Okay. Right. Let us see one more company. Which company you want to see? Any one company? Last company? Today's? For example, I guess JSW went up today. I think JSW went up today. There was news that JSW made some good profit and Dixon. Right. Okay. Let us see this for today. No variation, no variation as such, right? No variation as such. Hana, yes or no? No variation as such, right? Okay. Now, okay. Yes, Kishore, Dixon is a good company, right? I'm having Dixon, right? But 25 crore is very less number, very small number. Okay, 25 crore is not that big number. Okay. 250 crores. Okay, yeah. Shravya, again, red line and big red line and green line just represents, right? What was the price in that candle, at that candle, right? This candle is of 10 minutes. So for the last 10 minutes, right? In last 10 minutes, the candle was red or green, depends on what happened in last 10 minutes. That's it. Adarsh, my favorite company would be Bajaj, right? And again, there are lots of other companies, right? I'm having 94 companies, 93 companies in my portfolio, right? Many are just for, right? Steady position, like just study this, right? I will see this thing. I will just see this, right? See, there are some companies which are very good, right? In 1 year, they are giving me like